Welcome back to Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Yes, okay, we are still here. I'm going to for the third question.
What is that?
Which one is the first? Okay, my next question is. Okay, Olivia. Okay.
Yes.
What is your second plan? I mean, other plans when you will not reach your dream. What do you want to do
Okay.
for the others?
For the others, like
Yes.
when I cannot reach my dream,
Yeah.
of course, I have a lot of plan.
Mhm.
Like I will try my best, like to find new, like new something. Like when I cannot do, like okay, example.
Find you something.
Yeah, like
something new.
example, like
Maybe find someone.
no, find something.
So you can
Yes.
marry it.
Oh,
Okay.
So yeah, like example, when
Uh-huh.
I cannot to continue my study in abroad,
Mhm.
I want to be lecturer like
Yeah.
Kak Sam, right? So yeah,
The first dream is.
continuous.
No. I mean, before I ask you for the third question, your dream is. What is your dream actually? Really dream.
I really want to go to abroad.
I'll go to abroad. Okay.
Yes.
For the second is to
I
be.
want to lecture. To be
Okay.
lecturer.
To be lecturer.
So yeah,
So that is the second plan.
plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
But actually, if you pass study in abroad, of course, absolutely, you will also be teacher, right? Teacher or lecturer, right? So I mean, like, they have a like. Like
plan.
Other plan,
The
but not
plan.
similar.
Okay.
Real, not really similar with the first point.
I wanna be entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Yes.
Good one. Good point.
So
Entrepreneur.
yeah, when I want to be entrepreneur, so I have to
Mhm.
a lot of connection. Right?
Connection.
So like
Yeah.
we must to building relasi.
Uh-huh.
Relation. Yeah.
okay.
So yeah.
Entrepreneurs. Okay. Nice. Okay. What about you, Samantha? Other plans when you will not or do not reach your dream, the future.
Talking about plan B, yes. I think the kind of person who are not really like organized, who are not really organized person. So I think like I'm like to go with the flow and whatever it. So I'm just like maybe one day if I'm not become a teacher or lecturer, and I will be
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, entrepreneur, businesswoman.
Going
Businesswoman.
banana.
Yeah.
Going banana.
What does it mean? What does it mean going banana?
Paturut-turut Kang. Yeah. Continue your statement, please.
Yeah.
Continue.
I want to be a businesswoman because
That's so cool.
yeah, that's like a
It has cuan.
about the money. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, we will continue. Okay, I move to our Miss President. Okay, what about you? Your second plan or other plans when you do not or will not reach your main dream?
Oh, okay. So maybe I'll just let you know what is my main dream. Yeah, my first dream. So my first dream is I want to be an influencer. I mean, like I want to be a woman who is motivating other people, and I want to do like volunteering. I do really like volunteering activities. So I want to volunteer my knowledge to everyone who is not have a chance to enter schools, to get education like us, like normal people. And my second plan is being an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
I want to be a businesswoman. Yeah, just like Sam.
But this is not going banana, right?
No, I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah.
I want to be an entrepreneur, and I mean, like, I know someone who's motivating me to be an entrepreneur as well. And
Can you mention who's that person?
and from that person, I mean, like, okay, so being an entrepreneur. For being a beginner of entrepreneur, to enter an entrepreneurship is not something difficult, but it will be difficult when you already being an entrepreneur. You make it stay. To make it stay, it is difficult, and it goes same to other things. Like when you want to be a lecturer, or else if you already being a lecturer, you already get your dream, you already reach it. But then be a loyal lecturer who is like always enter the school, who will always teach people. Sometimes you will feel like you need a time to heal. You need a time to like have a trip like like other people, but you cannot because you are a lecturer. So you have to always stay in class. You have to always educate your students. So to make it to being loyal on your dream. Like for me myself, I already being a duta bahasa, and I wish I will be a duta who is like always stay loyal and always be responsible to what position I already
And
have.
help peoples,
Yes.
right? Yeah, that's the main point. Help people. Okay, you. You. Do you get it right? Do you get the point?
All right.
Yes.
So
60 seconds for you.
Wow, that's so fast. Okay.
No, kidding.
Well, to talk about Plan B, I think I have the same thing, which is I want to be an entrepreneur too as well, because everyone wants to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
But the only difference is the business itself. So
What kind of business do you want to?
I've been dreaming about having a business on fashion, but I don't think if it will.
Like Chitayan Fashion Week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chitayan Fashion Week.
He answered yeah. I say
exactly.
Chitayan Fashion Week. He say yeah. Oh my god.
But yeah, we'll just see. But I think that the plan A or like the plan B, I don't think that I have like a plan B, but I mean it's like having a plan B to me, I mean it's in my opinion, but you know, having a plan B is like you know, you're not going to focus on making the plan A work.
Yeah.
Because like whatever that may not make it happen, you gotta find a way. Maybe there has to be something different that you do to make it happen. So like, yeah. So I always want to focus on plan A.
First.
Stay focused on the plan. Yeah. The first plan. Yeah.
Yeah. Trust Olivia. It works.
Yeah. I will trust her.
Okay, good. My next question. This is about maybe empowering or help people's when you get reach your dream. Do you have like how to say? How do we call that? Like help people's when you reach your dream. What do you want to do if you reach your dream? You get my point? If you reach your dream, what do you want to do for help peoples in outside? I mean like the essential of bermanfaat sebaik-baiknya for the peoples. Do you get my point?
Yes. Okay. What do I want to do when I reach my dream is first when I maybe one day when I become like a lecturer, I will be like serve like a place when the kids can get the education
Yeah.
for free, and also I can like teach the people who are not really have a privilege or not really have a privilege to like learning English. So yeah, maybe that's the thing that I can do.
Specific for education.
Yeah, for education, because I'm at education right now, and also when I become a businesswoman, I will
Yes.
be like how to say menyediakan, how to serve like
To provide.
yes,
Yes.
to open up like work for everyone.
Is it?
It's like lowongan kerja, I think.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. What about you, Miss President? Your goals, maybe. I mean, like same question. Your goals if you reach your dream
Okay, so as
to help people's.
yeah, as I already said that I want to be an influencer. So I think like I'm already being an influencer because as the president of BPEC, I have a responsibility to make people interest to our community. We attract them to learn English. We tell them like English is important, so you need to learn it from us. BPEC, from our community, you can like improve your speaking skills. You can improve your communication, especially in English, and yeah, you will have an improvement, especially in English. And as Duta Bahasa, I have a responsibility to tell people like to socialize that bahasa or language is important, because we communicate from bahasa, we communicate from language. So it is important to know like our local language,
National.
our local language, and we have to but we still have to prioritize our Indonesian language.
national.
But it is important as well to learn English, to have like to be fluent in foreign language like English, Arabic, and else.
Yeah, as an international language.
Yes.
So you start to inspire people come to improve their skill special for language.
Yes.
Right. Maybe you can say hello to Duta Bahasa.
Hello everyone. Hello my friends.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Do you have a goal if you reach your dream to help to be how to say it, to make impact, positive
Make
impact to
impact.
people for help them?
Yeah, exactly. So, as I said before, that I wanted to go abroad. I want to study abroad, and so because it's a different country, so I think, and also the country is like, how to say, maju, improved.
Forward.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah,
Maju, like negara maju.
Forward
Like,
country.
forward
Develop.
country.
Yes.
Develop.
So, yeah, so I want to. I want to make my own country, which is Indonesia, to be the same. Like maybe it's from little things like learn something from the country and take it to Indonesia when I go back. And
Okay.
and yeah, there has to be something that we can take from outside this country. And also same with Inna, I think, because like I didn't even intend to be like actually an influencer on social media, but I'm a little bit of an influencer, because I once like when I went viral for once. It was in the past, but so the thing is to inspire the people. It's all about setting an example.
At least you want to be a role model, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Because I came from nothing. Like I know that there are lots of people who want to be in the business like I am in. And they can't be in because they have to, I don't know, like it's about like spreading something that can inspire them, that they can also do the same. Like maybe it's impossible because I came from nothing. Like my family wasn't even that kind of rich or something like that. So yeah, I always want to setting an example, like even in my family itself, because yeah, they need motivations and they need inspiration. So to have this opportunity to be an influencer, I have to show them that this
I get the point.
this may not be easy, but
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can get it through
Okay,
when you
nice.
are on it. Yeah.
Nice explanation. What about you? What is your goal if you get or reach your dream?
Okay, when I can reach my dream, like
Mhm.
when I go to abroad and
Yeah.
to be entrepreneur, I want to have program or community to teach how to say anak jalanan, anak panti. I want to can learn to English. So
okay.
You get it?
Volunteering.
Yeah, like
volunteer.
volunteering, yeah,
Yes,
like
yes.
volunteer.
Okay.
Like, yeah, like they are like from to zero to hero. So yeah, even if they are anak jalanan and anak panti, they are can to learn English. They are can to speak English. Like yeah, so I want to teaching. They are how to say teaching. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice.
I think-
But you know, guys, dreams come true is very, this is if we reach, we cannot express our, how to say, it's very difficult to explain by logic if we reach our dream. And now, guys, prepare your vocabularies because I want to ask you about vocabularies or idioms or final statement or conclusion. Make it fast, and I start from you. Maybe you have a vocabularies for our topic tonight.
Okay, so from me it's self-development. It's pengembangan diri. Self-improvement. It's same as self-development. So I think that's all.
Okay. Yeah.
So for me, I think blood, sweat, and tears. Like those three words are actually idioms. So if you say like, I put blood, sweat, and tears to make it happen, so it means like everything that you have been through in reaching the dream, you're going through it. Like no matter what happens, no matter how hard it is, no matter how good it is, you're gonna have to go through it.
Meaning.
Yeah, that's the meaning.
That's the
like,
words.
Yeah,
Three
that's the
words.
words.
In
Three
Bahasa,
words.
in
Yeah.
Bahasa.
In Bahasa, blood means darah, and sweat means keringat,
Yeah.
and tears means air mata. Yeah.
I'm satisfied. Okay, what about you? Do you have a vocabularies for our topic tonight?
I'm already say like never stop trying, never stop believing, and never give up.
Okay.
Just 3 words. Like
Is
never
that
stop.
3 words? Okay, no matter. Go ahead, translate. Come on,
Like,
translate to in Bahasa.
Okay, in bahasa like never stop trying, jangan pernah untuk berhenti mencoba.
Yeah.
So yeah, you must to trying and trying. And second is never stop believing, jangan pernah untuk berhenti percaya. Jadi
And-
percaya aja, itu semua akan kamu dapatin, akan kamu milikin. So
And
yeah.
the third?
And third is never stop and never give up. So
Yeah.
jangan pernah menyerah. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay, what about you?
Maybe it's just like a close statement from me that it's okay if you dream bermimpi dengan setinggi-tingginya. It's okay. It doesn't matter that everyone laughing at your dreams. it doesn't matter that everyone like calling you crazy because your dreams it's too high, it's not reachable. It's okay, because Soekarno once said that it's okay if you have the highest dream in your life, at least you fall like di antara bintang-bintang.
Like a lyrics. Anyway, but thank you guys for coming. That's all our conversation for this evening, and thank you so much, guys. See you. Bye bye. See you next